is up, guys? My name is Ari, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin ordinals, or ORDI, a new crypto, well, not really a new cryptocurrency, but a cryptocurrency that has been gaining a lot of traction recently. And can this obviously be a massive move in the next bull market? Now, I'm not talking about just about the crypto that's currently up 38.4%, currently sitting at a market cap of $624 million, sorry, but I'm also talking about the NFTs built on Bitcoin. So what are Bitcoin ordinals, real quick, just for you guys who don't know much about it? Ordinals, ORDI, is a cryptocurrency that works on technology called Ordinals protocol and brings NFT non-fungible tokens capability on the Bitcoin blockchain. So obviously this is built on the Bitcoin blockchain. So the same way you have NFTs, right, on the Ethereum ecosystem, or Matic on the Matic network, or NFTs on the BNB blockchain, we now have obviously crypto or ordinals or NFTs on the ordinal Bitcoin contract network. So this is the contract right here, one of the newest ones we've seen, UCID 25028 ordinals. This is the contract. Obviously, you could go ahead and copy and paste it, and we could see right here, we're going to be having a look at a technical analysis, price action real quick, but we could see Bitcoin marketplace, ordinals marketplace, debut as the world's fastest. So the world's fastest marketplace for Bitcoin ordinals digital asset has recently been launched, selling valuable collectible on the internet computer ICP blockchain rather than the Bitcoin network. Okay, so obviously they launched on the ICP network. Bionic is a highly intensive in its approach, supported by Polygon Capital to handle Bitcoin and ordinals asset. The platform utility ICP as a layer 2. In my opinion, ICP is overvalued, but this can bring a lot of value to ICP as a layer 2 solution to leverage cost and speed efficiency, making it the speediest or fastest, this is the first time I hear this, speediest ordinals marketplace to exist. It even offers a built-in wallet with Google Fast Login via Web3 auth for easy access. So this is obviously very interesting. Top Bitcoin and ordinals collectibles right here, making Bionic in all the more attractive is in the collection of highly desirable ordinals and Bitcoin collectibles out of its catalog, spanning more than 100 assets. The ordinals and Bitcoin NFT elevating the marketplace include ordinal punks, Bitcoin shrooms, Bitcoin rocks, time chain collectible, and more. I'm speaking literally way too fast, so I feel like I can't even read those words, but I need to obviously do things way slower. But we're going to be having a look, guys, at a Bitcoin technical analysis. We're going to be having a look at a ORDI price analysis, all time, to see where this can potentially go. So obviously this was launched in 2023 in this bear market, so you could see 9.5 or 5.9, and you guys could see right here that we are currently December 2nd, 2023. So we are 1 month away, guys, from 2024. So obviously big things are happening, big things are coming around. 2024 is supposed to be a very bullish month for crypto. We could see that the Bitcoin returns right here in Q4 are supposed to be very bullish. So we are currently up 44.17% in Q4 of 2023, which is okay. It's looking pretty good. We can see right here that in 2022 we had a negative year, and of course in 2021 we have a positive year. In Q4, of course, 2020 we had 168% pump. Okay, so obviously the end of next year, I'm talking about 2024, we should see a massive pump, and we'll see the bull market ending. We know that bull market's usually a 4-year cycle. We see 4 years exploding or consolidating, 1 year or 3 years, 3 years consolidating, bear market, everything's going down, and of course followed by a 1 year boom action. So ordinals can be massive in the next bull market, in my opinion. Especially, I think that ordinals or ORDI NFTs will be massive. They'll be like the NFTs back on Ethereum back in 2019, 2020, 2021. I think we're going to see a lot of cryptocurrencies really raise in value. Maybe see cryptocurrency or NFTs go to 2 Bitcoin, 3 Bitcoin. Maybe we could see something like the crypto punks or CryptoPunks, or I don't know, Bored Apes or anything like that on the ordinal network. Obviously it's not there yet. I think we could see these sales go up to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, and I'm talking about like average, not just 1 or 2 sales. I'm talking about like average. Okay, so the market cap is currently sitting at $628 million, which is obviously, it's okay. It's not a low cap cryptocurrency, it's not a low cap altcoin, but it's there. The volume is sitting at $422 million, up 183% in the last 24 hours. 183 whipping percent. ORDI is up 39%. The circling supply is pretty much the same as Bitcoin right here. 21 million ORDI. The total supply is 21 million and the max supply is 21 million. Something that I did say wrong is that it's the same as Bitcoin. The max supply of Bitcoin is currently sitting at 21 million. I don't think that the full supply is 21 million. It's 19 million. That's the full supply. That Bitcoin is proof of work. In order for the Bitcoin to mine, or reach 21 million BTC, which would be the max supply, it would take approximately 130 years. So that's what's happening. Bitcoin's currently sitting at $39,000. It seems like it's almost replicating the move of Bitcoin in the last 7 days. If we have a look right here, ORDI was sitting at $20 just a couple of days ago, or just yesterday was sitting at $20 a month ago. I mean, this thing has been consolidating between $25, peaked all the way at $19. We could see that in the last year. Obviously, we did go all the way to as low as $3. So this thing is literally up 10x. I'm talking about right here since the October 17. ORDI 10x. So obviously, I think this is just the start. I think the bull market is just about to begin. I think it could still do a 10x from here, which would bring ORDI to a $6 billion market cap valuation. But we're gonna have to see obviously what happens to really to Bitcoin, because we know, guys, Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader. There's no question about that. If we have a look at the monthly reward, going back into Bitcoin just for a second, something that I missed, we could see that in 2023, Bitcoin is obviously 28% October. November was an okay month, sitting at 8.81%. December. So realistically and historically, we know that December are usually okay months, but of course quarterly Q4 Decembers are usually very, very good month for Bitcoin. We only had 1 month below 20% was right here in 2018 when Bitcoin fell by 42%, but the other rest of the months, everything has been pretty much green or 15% decrease. So you could expect a very, very good month for Bitcoin, or minimum a 15% decrease. But of course, that's that. Going into BTC real quick. Now, I'm not going to go full technical analysis on Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin does break $40,000, we could see massive moves happening. So Bitcoin right here in the last 24 hours did reach $39,400, currently traded at $39,346. Things are obviously looking very, very bullish for Bitcoin. We did have this crazy consolidation right here. I don't want to say the whole month of November, but most of November we had a nice consolidation year. The yearly is obviously looking very, very bullish. I mean, since the beginning of the year, guys, Bitcoin was traded at $17,000 just about a year ago, $16,000 actually, and now Bitcoin is sitting the bottom of Bitcoin is 16,700, and now we're sitting at almost $40,000. So that's pretty darn great, a little bit over 2x from here. Bitcoin's looking very positive. If we manage to break 40,000, we could see BTC go to 45, 50, 60, 70, and even beyond that. So it's only a matter of when, not a matter of if when Bitcoin does that. Regarding altcoins, guys, it is not altcoin season just yet, so I would highly suggest holding Ethereum and Bitcoin only, maybe ORDI as well. It seems like ORDI is following Bitcoin. Should you buy it now? That's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. At the end of the day, you could actually buy ORDI on Binance, KuCoin, OKX, K.io, Bybit. So it's obviously listed on all these exchanges. I'm definitely going to do my research on NFTs, because that's going to be the next big thing in the next bull market. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.